Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Today I'm going to show you how to make my recipe for the best classic lasagna. This classic lasagna recipe is the best around. It's got a homemade meat sauce made with Italian sausage and ground beef. There's a creamy ricotta mixture, there's pasta, and tons of cheese. What's not to love? Let's get started by making our meat sauce. Start by chopping a yellow onion. Add 1 pound of ground beef and half a pound of sweet Italian sausage to a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break the meat apart with a wooden spoon. Add the onion and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Let this cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the meat is browned. Drain the fat from the meat, then return the meat to the skillet. Add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir this together until it's well combined, put a lid on it, reduce the heat to low, and simmer the sauce for 30 minutes. As the sauce cooks, we'll make our creamy ricotta mixture. Start by mincing some fresh flat leaf parsley. We need a 1/4 cup total. In a large bowl, add a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of the minced parsley, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and half a teaspoon of dried basil leaves. Stir this up until it's well combined. Once the meat sauce has simmered for 30 minutes, stir in the remaining 2 tablespoons of minced fresh flat leaf parsley. Now is a good time to cook the lasagna noodles. I'm just going to cook them to al dente according to their package directions. We need 12 lasagna noodles for this recipe, but I like to cook at least 15 in case a noodle breaks or if there's some extra room in the pan. Now that we've made the meat sauce and the ricotta mixture and we've cooked the pasta, it's time to assemble the lasagna. In a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, add a thin layer of meat sauce. Place 3 lasagna noodles in the bottom of the dish. Spoon a 1/3 of the ricotta mixture onto the noodles and spread it out into an even layer. Scoop about 1½ cups of the meat sauce onto the ricotta and spread it out evenly. Repeat the layers of noodles, ricotta, and meat sauce 2 more times. Then add a final layer of the remaining noodles, the remaining meat sauce, and top it with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Cover the dish with foil and bake it for 45 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for 15 more minutes. The lasagna is cooked. It looks and it smells amazing, but we can't cut into it quite yet. We need to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before we cut into it. This will allow the pasta to set up so it holds its shape. The cheese is gooey, the ricotta mixture is creamy, and the meat sauce is loaded with tons of flavor from the Italian sausage and herbs. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.